channel.
Welcome to Hounslow West.
Hounslow West. Okay, so what are you
every
selling?
Saturday, Sunday.
You come here every Saturday,
Every
Sunday?
Saturday.
So people are bargaining here as well. He's saying it's already £4. Here, this is Indian street shop. You can see the chart house. So these for £2 each. This is the famous Poundland store. Everything is for £1 here. Their eyebrows done here as well. This is Hounslow Market. Let me show you what's inside. So this is a sweet shop, George and the Juice, where you'll get all kinds of juices. The price is mentioned here, and you can have the juice of the ingredients mentioned inside it. As you can see, mixed juice, apple plus orange, and etc. And next one is the mithai shop. Here we have beauty bar, a salon, and here this is Indian street shop. You can see the chart house. So we met a friendly person here, and here we do have Hyderabad chilies, Ziyafat Mahal, and you can see there Turkish BBQ kebab, right? And let me show you. Here we have Momia, and these are the noodles, momos that you can find here. Then we have pepper spice, and we have you and me burger snack. And this is the shop. You can get some burgers. This is Sobe burger, and you can see the Mumbai street food here as well. And let's move further. This is Pakistan street food as well here. Right. This is the menu from here. This is Lajawab. And then you have Bombay to Ahmedabad. These are almost all Indian foods here. There you have Singapore noodles. And then we have Thai street food here, and we have East and Tea Company, and we have bubble teas, milk teas, fruit teas here, and you can see. I think it's a pretty good place to visit. Hot board, and you have Chinese street food, and here we have one pan noodles, Thai street food, and that's a very pretty smile. And then we have Risto, shawarma and grill. Hello.
Hiya. You
Hey.
can take some wrap?
Not right now. Would be getting a veg one, but in some time.
Alright. Bye bye.
And here we have Yummy Kitchen. You can see all the yummy food here. And now we are out of this market. So yes, I think that was a pretty good market. I'll show you once again this market, Hounslow Market, where you will get all different kinds of cuisines. Chinese, North Indian, South Indian, Thai food, and some shawarma rolls as well. So this is the way around the market, which you can see. So this is High Street, and you can get all the malls, shopping malls, shops here around the corner. You can start with the eateries as I showed you just now, and उसके बाद आप यहाँ shopping के लिए जा सकते हैं. This is the market around. This is Moy Lavish. This is luggages, mobiles, and look what we found here. The Labubus. See, I don't know how much you are fond of these, but yeah, these are beautiful. This is a shop where we get everything for £1 each. These are the bowls. They have prepared some. You get these apples, the grapes, and all of these for £1 each. There are avocados, pineapples, cherry tomatoes, lemon, apples, and the very famous Indian fruit watermelon. Where is watermelon? So we are going to take the apples for £1, and here you get it for different prices. 5 for £2, and similarly for other fruits and vegetables, 3 a kilo. And yeah, so this is the fruit market, the fruit shop. You can see it here from a broader view. Trees for £2 each. These are the strawberries. So this is the treaty center. We are going inside because there are a lot of brand shops here. Here we go inside. Oh, there's a Subway as well. I think we can have something here. Oh, here's the Subway. Here we go for these are the shops. This is Select. We have River Island. We have the Works, King of, and this is the famous Poundland store. Everything is for £1 here. So maybe once you visit this place, you can go here and try this £1 store. And here we have F. Heinz. It's a famous watch shop. We have the beautiful flowers here and the balloons as well. These are the bags. And I'll show you a complete round of the mall here. You can see this is how it looks from the top, and we have a coffee shop right in the middle, and this is how the mall looks. And this is the Treaty Center. In the Treaty Center. So now we have exited this, and here we have Glam and Go, जो हर लड़की देखकर रुक जाती है एक बार. Oh my God! Wow! And अब हम आ गए हैं इस ब्यूटीफुल सी फ्लावर शॉप के आगे, जहाँ पर हैं बहुत सारे प्लांट्स, फ्लावर्स, and this beautiful lavender flower is for £5. And you can see many others here. These are some beautiful flowers. This is for £12. I don't know the names of these flowers, but yeah, these are pretty beautiful bouquets here. You can see them, right? And now we have this super drugstore, which is famous for ladies' beauty products. I just got to know. Let's see what's inside. Let's go. And we have different kinds of brands here. NYX, this is professional makeup. Then we have Maybelline. We have Morphe. And you can see beautiful ladies here buying different products. And we have L'Oreal as well here. And to go further, we can get our eyebrows done here as well, right? And I can see healthcare products as well here, healthcare, hygiene, and other products. This is how the store looks like. Let's go. And here we have the healthcare. We have almost all the products that a girl would want. Right. This is the counter where we can pay. And these are some makeup products that you can, oh sorry, these are some of the perfumes which you can try. Perfume store. And from here we can just move out. These are some earrings, accessories, and everyday low price. The products which are sold at a discounted price are displayed here. So that was it. And now we have Holland and Barrett as well in the front. And we'll now continue with our shopping for the day. That was the cyclist at a very fast speed. I think I also need one. And there is a fresh breeze and my hair are kinda unmanageable. Yeah, it's beautiful. It should be airy. Otherwise it was getting very hot. This is a mobile shop. This is Popeyes. And this is a beautiful road to walk and spend some time on a weekend. So we have a lot of crowd here because it's a weekend, a Sunday. And हम लोग भी संडे को ही निकले हैं, तो यहाँ पर भी संडे को ही इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है जो कि आप देख सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ प्राइमार्क, जहाँ हम जाके गारमेंट शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल हमारे पास टाइम कम है एंड अभी हमें ग्रॉसरीज लेनी है. अभी हमने सिर्फ थोड़े से फ्रूट्स ही लिए हैं, तो अभी हम आगे जाएंगे और चलते जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज़ मी. आप देख सकते हैं मेरे बाल कैसे उड़ रहे हैं. एंड मैं एक्चुअली मैं बहुत थक भी चुकी हूँ. I just want to go back now and sleep. And now we are at this pawn shop and इसके साथ है आइसलैंड. तो हम आइसलैंड में जाने वाले हैं do some grocery shopping. Things prepared, you just have to eat them. There are different choices of pizza which you get for only £1. You can see thin crust pepperoni, thin crust cheese and tomato. Then we have ham and pineapple, vegetable pizza, 4 cheese pizza, sweet chili chicken, right? And then you get stuffed crust. And these are little costlier for £2.60. This is also, these are takeaway pizzas. You know, Chow Chow Pizzeria. And then you have these, what are these? Subs pizza. And then you have these. Then you have these baked. Then you have these sweet and crisp. I don't know exactly what are these. Seems like whipped cream that has been hardened. And here you get the fries. You get the chips for £2 each. And then you have this as a meal. There are different things for hash brown, quarter pounders, hash browns, and potato waffles. And you get multiple choices of ice creams here: strawberry cheesecake, salted caramel, this is marshmallow, mini chocolate chip, caramel swirl, the ice lollies. And here you get the fruit push-up. These are some cones, cornettos, 6 strawberry cones and everything is here. So you can see here, right? And हमारे पीछे बहुत ही प्यारी हवा चल रही है. एंड मेरे बाल उड़ रहे हैं. दिस इज़ द सिनेप्लेक्स एंड यहाँ मूवी देखने आ सकते हैं. वी हैव स्टारबक्स राइट एंड दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू हैंग आउट. एंड अब हम आ गए हैं साडा सुपर स्टोर पे, जहाँ से अब हम लेंगे बाकी की बची हुई चीज़ें जैसे कि आलू प्याज वगैरह जो हमें डेली काम आए. तो हम साडा सुपर स्टोर के बाहर खड़े हैं अपना सामान लेके एंड बाकी का सामान लेके हमारे भैया जी गए हैं. लेट्स वेट till the time he comes back. एंड मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा हो रहा है. सो the queue and I'm going to get these bananas for £1. Let me get that. So I'm going to get these bananas for let me get. तो अभी हमने ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग कर ली है. ये है मेरे हाथ में बनानास एंड अभी बाकी सामान सब भाई के पास है क्योंकि मैं इतना सब ना मेरा मन था उठाने का. तो अभी उसके पास है बाकी सब सामान ग्रॉसरीज एक बैग में और एक हैंड बैग में. एंड देन वी आर गोइंग अगैन ऑन फुट. पैदल पैदल हम जा रहे हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द स्ट्रीट you can see here. हम अब वेज बिरयानी पैक करा रहे हैं among all these options that we had and हम बिरयानी खाने वाले हैं. So मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ आज हम लंच में क्या खाने वाले हैं आफ्टर सो मच ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग एंड इतना टायर्ड होने के बाद राइट. सो आवर फर्स्ट आइटम फॉर टुडे इज़ दिस बिरयानी. ठीक है, तो मैं लेके चल रही हूँ आपको. सेकेंड इज़ इस एयर फ्रायर में फ्राई हो रहे हैं हमारे फ्राइज़. नेक्स्ट है हमारी ये ब्राउनी एंड समथिंग जिसको चूहे ने टुक मार दिया है. चूहे ने टुक मार दिया है मीन्स इसने हम में से किसी ने खा लिया है थोड़ा सा. ये हमारे पकोड़े. इसके बाद है हमारी चाय एंड दीज आर आवर फ्रोज़न पराठास जो कि अभी गर्म होने वाले हैं. एंड देन वी डू हैव रायता एज वेल. अभी हमारे पास फ्रूट्स रखे हैं बट अभी हम फ्रूट्स नहीं खाएंगे राइट. देन हमारे पास हैं एप्पल्स, ग्रेप्स एंड एवोकाडोज एज वेल. तो ये है हमारा समोसे. ठीक है, तो बाकी की पूरी वीडियो हम दिखाएंगे आपको सर्व करने के बाद. ठीक है, आर यू रेडी? बिकॉज आई एम रेडी टू ईट. और ब्लेसिंग्स मेरे साथ बनाए रखिए एंड आगे की जर्नी के लिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ. स्टे ट्यून्ड.